What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, we're going to be at the 2022 North American International Auto Show in Detroit, and I am being chased by a bee. But yeah, we're here looking to see what they got new here. I haven't been here in like a decade, to be honest. Like, it used to be the thing to do, and now I'm on the roof of the venue formerly known as Cobo Hall, Huntington. My God. But yeah, it's Jesus Christ. Ah! But yeah, I'm out here smacking bees. Yeah, so the attendance is way lower than what it used to be, but I'm about to get the best of the auto show for this year, so come along with me. So let's get in here before we get stung, because that bee is probably mad. Joe, the ZL1 today, because why not? Come with me on today's video, and let's see what we see inside this auto show. Looking forward to a few things. The Mustang is probably the biggest thing here, but we'll see what else is there as well. So before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. The duck. Thing is huge. Biggest duck in the world, folks.
That's what muscle cars. That's what a muscle car is supposed to look like.
Gotta know for myself how big this thing is. Q probably won't get one of these. Interesting though. Knock my head off coming in. That's all we got today for this auto show. Headed back to my car. I'm about to wrap it up. I'm about to see if I can get a picture with that giant duck. Biggest duck in the world. But yeah, a lot of people didn't show up. I didn't see the Volkswagen group like Audi, Porsche. I didn't see like stuff like McLaren. They used to be here every single year. Lamborghini, Ferrari, like all those people used to be here. I didn't even see like the full Cadillac lineup. I didn't even see a CT4. But that's what we got this year. These things are becoming obsolete, I feel, and they're not necessary because they reveal everything before the show starts. So I've seen everything before I got here. It is better to see them in person. That's the way things go. And attendance is for all the shows across the board, even New York, Chicago, every other state. This is the biggest one. This is the national one, Motor City. So this would be the show. And LA is a big one as well, but this used to be it, but now it's kind of a death, especially after the pandemic. This might be the first year after the C word. So there you have it. But I will see you at the car. What was your favorite car at the auto show? Let me know in the comment section. So my favorite two cars was the Lincoln and the Buick. Of all the cars, I thought these shows are about the futuristic cars to me. So the concepts, that's what these are all about. And it's good to see stuff in the flesh in the future, but I doubt those come in the future because Buick is not known for that kind of stuff. Hopefully they will be, and Lincoln kind of just doesn't do stuff like that. Like with the Navigator, they had the gold wing doors one year, and we saw the production. It was like, oh. And the Continental had the side doors one year, and they made that as a coach edition one year, like with the side doors. But those are my two favorites. And of course, I like the Camaro SS1 LE there, the Z06 Corvette. I'm a muscle car guy, so I liked all that kind of stuff. I do not like the Dodge EV. Like, it just doesn't do it for me. Pretty sure it'll perform, but it looks older than the current lineup, so I don't like it for that. But let me know what you all think. Keep checking out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Is that 5 things? I don't know, but I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out. Had to get a video with the car in front of the duck. It only makes sense. And the police got horses out today. That's crazy. But I'm illegally parked, so let me get on.